We have an update on a story you saw breaking here at 4 o'clock involving a man awarded joint custody of a child conceived when he raped a 12-year-old girl 8 years ago. Well, that man, Christopher Mirasolo, has agreed not to have any contact with the child or the mother and to pay child support. But questions about how that custody ruling could have even happened in the first place may cost an assistant county prosecutor their job. Paula Tutman has the breaking new information.
You know, this young woman was courageous. Raped and impregnated at 12. She decided to have the child anyway. She loves this child, even though every single time she looks at him, it is a reminder of what happened to her when she was just a little girl. She says she never even understood how he could possibly plead down to third-degree attempted sexual assault when she was clearly pregnant.
My mom wrote a letter to the judge stating that no matter what, we would care for this baby like it didn't come from rape.
He was convicted and did 6 months, got out, and sexually assaulted a 14-year-old and did time. So the first victim's child is now 8. And you might imagine her shock when, after DNA proof of parentage, Sanilac County Judge Gregory Ross ordered joint legal custody.
And it's just a nightmare that I relive all the time.
There is a 2016 Michigan law on the books that essentially says someone convicted of sexual assault loses parenting rights. Late this afternoon, an agreement was reached between attorneys for both parties, which amount to Christopher Mirasolo not pursuing a relationship with the child, having no contact with the mother, and
there is a child support order, and that will continue.
But the young woman's attorney, Rebecca Kiesling, says this is not over, not by a long shot.
I just got off the phone with the Attorney General's office. I've spoken with the Department of Human Services. There will definitely be an investigation as to why this happened and who needs to be fired. You know, for example, the fact that he was even charged with only attempted rape when they knew she was pregnant. And so there needs to be some accountability right from the beginning 9 years ago as to the way this victim was treated.
She says up and to the seeking of the disbarring of the Sanilac County assistant prosecutor, who she says knew all of these details and failed to disclose them to the judge. Paula Tutman, Local 4.